Welcome back to another video. We know it's been a little while, but today we have a blindfold taste test video for you guys. So how this is gonna work, we'll be blindfolded, and then one of the two, whoever it is, somebody is gonna give you something to taste, and then you're gonna see if you can figure out what you just tried, okay? And of course, whoever got the most right at the end wins. Just bragging rights. And we all know I'm going to win, so yeah, let's get to it. Rock, paper, scissors? To see who goes first? Okay, all three. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Wait, TJ.
Rock beats paper. Oh no, paper beats rock.
No, paper beats rock. Okay, you go first. You go first. Okay. You're going to be blindfolded first.
And you guys have to give me your food.
Yep.
Okay, I can't see. So
you should be able to see. Now I'm gonna give TJ something to try. But of course it's TJ, so I'm gonna be nice for the first item.
My stomach's pretty unclear.
It's fine. I'm not gonna do nothing crazy. Hold up. Okay, I found it. Don't be scared. So first item, I'll make it easy. You know. All right. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, open.
It's pretty good.
What is it?
Captain Crunch.
Yep, that's exactly what it is. Captain Crunch cereal. So, okay, TJ got 1 point.
No, you're still.
No, now he's good. We're next person.
Oh.
Me and you gonna rock, paper, scissors, cuz.
Okay.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Wait, which one wins? Rock, beat, scissors?
Okay.
Yeah, it got two.
But he did this.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay.
Yeah, paper.
All right. Yeah, y'all gonna give me something for trying. Now y'all don't play. Do not play. Okay.
Huh?
Make sure you show the camera what it is. Why am I nervous? It doesn't even make sense.
You're nervous like my stomach.
Tell me when you're ready.
Come on.
I'm ready. Okay.
Okay. What was it?
What?
The face.
Oh. Jerk season, barbecue jerk season.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Now.
At first it didn't smell right. Got a little kick to it, but it ain't that bad. All right, so she's going next, and TJ is gonna choose an item for her. Come on, TJ. Hold on, y'all. Let's pause and get ready. All right.
Okay, yeah. So they don't get to try every food?
Good? TJ, what? Shh, shh. Which one do you want to use first? I don't know what you're saying. I'm just helping you. Now you gotta bend just a little bit for TJ.
Tell me when you're ready, grandson.
Okay, I'm ready. Just open your mouth.
How about the seasoning?
Now, you gotta be more specific.
Well, you gotta guess. Don't vomit it out. You're not vomiting.
You wanna try some more?
Oh, man.
A cook soup something?
No. No.
Are the Maggie?
No.
No.
You give up?
Yes.
Ranch popcorn seasoning.
Oh, Jesus. What
All right,
never
y'all.
so no way we could I get that.
All right, TJ, it's your turn again. Come on.
get?
Yes.
Yes.
Your turn to guess.
Okay, I get. Okay, stomach. Come on.
Just a little bit. So y'all can see. Real small. I can't do that to him. Ready? Go.
Gross. Ah.
Do you know what that is?
Peanut punch.
No. What?
Peanut porridge.
What? That tastes like peanut porridge?
Eat this like it tastes out of your mouth. What it tastes like?
Eat that so that can get rid of the taste.
Okay, so that disgusting taste was
Come, you gotta come right here so
What's the
you're in the
disgusting
camera.
taste?
You know what it is, or you give up?
I give up.
It's apple cider vinegar.
Why would someone give that to a person?
We drink it every night.
And that's very disgusting.
Yeah.
You shouldn't drink that.
Okay, we won't drink it anymore.
Oh yeah, because
All right, my turn again. And right now, I don't really know what to expect. Cause first of all, I feel like I'm being done dirty, but it's okay.
You don't want to try this, DJ?
Right here is still burning a little
Are you
bit.
ready?
Yeah.
yeah, open. Yeah, you're gonna love it.
That's spicy.
I know.
Oh. It's a spicy sauce.
Be more specific.
Yes.
Oh boy, that's spicy. Is it the sweet and spicy sauce?
No.
So it's not the sweet and spicy. Passion fruit sauce.
No, it's not.
Okay, I give up.
It's a mango. It's that.
Oh.
Yeah, that mango.
Yeah.
Pepper mango thingy.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
That'll definitely take the hair off your chest.
Like when you were blindfolded, I was like dancing, and you didn't even hear me
It's
dance.
time for you to choose an item to give to your nana.
Be nice, TJ.
You want to be nice?
Back. Yeah.
So this one?
Stuff.
Oh, the back. Okay.
She's on PC. TJ said bad stuff. TJ, that's not nice.
Come on.
You're supposed to be nice to me.
I'll tell y'all what it is after. Here.
Okay, open it wide.
You're not in the camera.
TJ, where you finding something here? This is like trash. Right?
It's not trash.
Like some wood chip or something.
That's what it tastes like.
How about this? The dry shrimp?
Mm-mm. Dry shrimp. Mm-mm.
TJ,
Yeah.
you know if you do that something to your nana, you know your nana love you.
Yeah, mine has a little short.
A saltfish cake?
No. Ain't no salt.
A tambourine?
No. But you might be getting close.
Yeah, you're getting closer.
And a tambourine.
Mm-mm.
Where's sour?
What else sour?
Like, let's give her a little clue.
You want to give her a clue?
Okay, so it's sour. Is it sour?
Really, TJ, that I clue? Yes, me say so.
Give her another clue. The color.
The color is
Burgundy-ish.
burgundy-ish. And you said it tastes like trash.
All right. See, that's no clue.
That's the clue. So,
That's all you can get though. No more clues.
I'm just gonna tell her a clue again. I'm gonna tell her the same clue.
She's not used to tasting it in this form.
Look,
That's why.
I'm making sure she knows.
She knows what it is.
What do we put it in, TJ?
TJ don't know.
Well, you said it's burgundy-ish the color. And
Yeah.
You said it tastes like trash.
Nutmeg?
No. Not making
You
so
said it tastes like trash, and you said it's sour. And that's the only clue
You
see.
usually get it in drink form.
Yeah. You said it's burgundy. Burgundy-ish. You said it's sour. You said
Okay.
It's like
A June plum?
No.
No.
Burgundy?
Oh, I never remember the burgundy parts.
Ding, 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 ding.
Burgundy, not juice.
Ding, ding, ding,
What is it?
I don't know what.
Do you give her?
Pop,
Yes.
pop, hibiscus, otherwise called sorry.
I really sorry, but you make me still
Me watch
there
it.
too.
Me watch it. I watched it
Yeah,
first,
you
y'all.
pick
I
me.
watched it. I watched it. TJ, it's your turn. Come on.
Yeah, you try.
Come.
What the hell me the figure say that? Me not speak on the figure me bush for eat.
Me think it. I pick you up once you start tasting.
No.
Okay, hold
I've never
on.
had bush.
I hope you give me something
Listen,
good.
I'm giving TJ something to taste. So I had to help TJ choose something for her, obviously.
Yeah, but bush, really?
Yeah.
That's very funny.
It's funny?
Yeah. I can't just stop
It's
that.
not gonna be funny. Because
Wait.
I don't like it.
Wait. What do you
Come on, you
mean?
need something harder for you.
Wait, what do you
For who, me?
Nice to you, yeah.
Okay, you ready, TJ?
Wait, what do you mean?
Come on. Why TJ so short? You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Close. Close.
TJ, you getting all the good stuff, baby.
Peanut butter.
Yay! Good job.
I know this because peanut butter tastes like this.
Yeah, you
And-
got it. So
and-
you got 2 points. You got 2.
We don't get
Nana got 0. And I got 1. So TJ's winning so far.
Yes, bro.
Yeah, because I'm a genius.
Mommy, it's my turn. Y'all, she went on the hunt to find something for me, so we'll see.
So am I gonna go?
Nah, next time I go to the store, I'm gonna get some stuff for y'all, because there will be a part 2.
So when it almost gets to me and then
Should I pause the video until you find something?
Yes, you should. Hey mom,
I will.
when it gets close to me and it's my turn to give you the bad food, then I get it from the pantry.
Yeah. Okay, I'm ready. Pause it again?
No,
Oh.
open.
Open wide.
What is it?
I don't know.
No, yes.
It's a spin all over the floor.
I mean, I spit everything out.
Should even taste it, TJ.
Oh, oatmeal. That was oatmeal. Listen, that tasted. That tasted funny. Wow.
You know, just
Wow.
you know I'm a good dancer. I
Here you
always
go.
dance right in front of you. Okay, it's my turn. Okay.
TJ, you're not
I
nice
will
to me,
dig
you know.
into TJ's stash.
No,
Come, you show me which
I
one.
get this from the pantry.
No,
Yeah,
no.
treat-
We'll just use what you have
You're
here.
treat your nana
Be
so
nice.
bad.
This one?
Grandson, I've been nice to you, haven't I?
Yeah,
But-
this isn't about the nice. This is about the pranks.
It's about the pranks, not the nice.
Okay.
Hold on.
It's not about the emotion.
I see how
It's not
you-
about the emotions.
Yes, it's just about the pranks.
Okay.
And
Ready?
That's fine, I see how you are. Sorry,
I thought you were ready. That one's not that bad. That's easy.
No back.
shut up.
Yeah,
Yeah.
she got 1 point.
Take
1
a break
point.
from me.
So, wait, I got 2. TJ got 2. Mine got 1 point.
Man, I was gonna look in the pantry for can do it.
Come, it's your turn.
Okay. I'm slipping in the oil.
And I think you're on your final item. Yeah, because we're doing 4. We're doing 4 items each. Come on.
I'm going to go to store and get some exciting stuff. And nobody knows.
Well, I'm going to get some more stuff. I'm going to get some more stuff.
After this, can we do like the rock, paper, scissors, where we have to run until they're done eating?
No, we'll do that for another video.
Okay. Tomorrow, okay?
Yeah. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Open.
Tastes pretty good.
Tastes pretty good?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
What is it?
I don't know. You have to guess.
Is it, sir? No. Mustard?
No, but close.
Sushi?
Oh my God.
Sushi? No, it's not squid balls either. Do you give up?
No.
All right.
I need to use my big brain.
There you go. Go ahead. You got this.
Wait, is it like that ginger that we have, that honey?
No, you get far off. Way, way off.
Okay, so go back to the mustard. I was close.
Yeah.
It's
It's white.
it's white. Radish!
Radish is green.
Friends.
You're too
What
far
else
off.
do you put on your sandwich?
Wait, I put on my sandwich.
Yes. Well, I put it on there when I
It's
buy it at the
white.
commissary.
It's white.
Yes.
Radish?
It's in a jar.
That's green.
It's in a jar. It's
Mhm.
white and it's in a jar.
Yes.
Radish, no green, a reddish green.
What is radish?
White.
Radish is white.
Oh. Give up?
Mm-mm.
Ding, ding, ding. All right. All right, TJ, time up.
Okay.
What do you give up? Mayo.
Mayo? Wait,
Yes.
what? Wait.
All right, my turn.
Wait,
For my
let me
last item. Right
see.
here.
Mayo?
Yeah.
I thought it was baby.
Are you ready?
Yes. Go ahead and tie up.
Okay.
I have to do it.
No, you're not supposed to do it. Don't cheat.
I'm not cheating. You got the blindfold.
Make sure it's tight.
And
Make sure it's tight.
Make sure you don't scream.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Kind of shut.
Open.
What is that?
And let me give her another drink.
No, she don't need another drink.
I'm gonna give you a clue.
It's-
Okay, the clue is
You're not getting no clue.
It tastes familiar.
okay. I'm gonna.
I
give
have
you,
no idea.
I'm gonna give you a clue.
What is it?
So, who was sitting on the couch?
No, TJ, what is it?
No.
Here.
I give up.
Oh, man.
If you give up, you can take off your blindfold.
Oh!
No, you're not
You-
here. Who was sitting on the couch?
Count your days. Because I know you gave her that idea.
No,
Count your
no.
days.
No, and the bottle in empty when we go for the if you see me if you knock out.
Wow. Here. You better count there. Because I'm telling you, when I go to the store and buy stuff, they're not going to like it. Okay, last item. It's here. The last item. For your nana.
Wait, I'm gonna give her one.
I'm going to give it to you so you can give it to her. No, just use this one. Give it to her.
Ready?
Oh, yeah, I'm ready.
Banana chips.
Ding, 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 ding.
Now I got 2
Correct.
points. I got 2.
So, really, it's a 3-way tie. Nobody won. But you know what? We'll leave it there for now. But next time, we'll see. Next time, I promise you, they won't get not one of anything that I got. But hope y'all like this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
And I'm gonna get the.
If y'all want more of these videos, okay? Until next time.
Peace out.